Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now I know you may be thinking this is very different from what I usually do, and let me just kind of explain the whole premise around this setup. So as most of you know, my reviews are cinematic and they involve a ton of different shots. They just take so much time. Basically I thought of this little setup to give you kind of more frequent content. Obviously the idea of this is to be able to record it, do some minimal color correction if it's needed, and then basically upload it straight away to you guys. For you to enjoy, hopefully. I have got a new microphone for this, so let me know what you think about the audio and the video, to be fair. This is using my G7 X, so we've actually got autofocus, he says. Anyway, ignore that. But yeah, the whole idea is just to be able to get stuff done quicker and hopefully more frequently for the channel. So this is something that I think it's a pretty good way to start it off, to be fair. This is the Streamer Razer Broadcast Studio. This is a very limited promotional thing. Unfortunately it's not available to buy, but it's something that I was actually approached by Razer to look at if they wanted me to, they asked if I wanted to look at it, and it's pretty cool, so I said yes, and here we are. So I hope you like the setup. This is just using a big mouse mat as a kind of background, then obviously studio lights, and then this new microphone. So let me know what you think about it, and let's get into the box and carry on. I will say about this setup in the next couple of videos, I like this just for people that maybe stumble across or don't watch this one, and they're kind of like, what is going on? The full reviews will stay, don't worry, they're not going to go anywhere, but obviously as they take more time they're going to be less frequent, but these are kind of like fill in the little gaps, hopefully. So enough of that, let's get into the box. So this is a humongous box. Thankfully the focus on this camera is pretty wide, the camera, so it can get it all in. But Razer Broadcast Studio on the very top there. Let's try and do this without hitting the microphones. So when you first open it up, it comes in this really cool flight case with a streamer certified. So let's get this out. Attempt to. I've been very careful to set the tripod up with the microphone rather than clamping the microphone onto the desk, so any movement in theory on the desk won't go through to the mic. That's what I'm hoping anyway. So this is the Streamer Broadcast set. On the very top we've got some nice locks. It can be locked if you wanted to do this. Nice Razer logo on the back. This is a very limited edition run as well, I'll get into that in a moment. But opening it up, there we go, that should be over on there. A little note about what's included, but it comes with the Razer Seiren X, which is their microphone, broadcast microphone in the kind of center here. The standard stuff we'll set up in a moment as well. And it also comes with a Kiyo, which is their webcam with a built-in light. Now the whole premise behind this is to eliminate the need for soft boxes for streamers, as they are big. I'm using two now and they just take up a lot of room, and they're also very bright as well. So the idea is to hopefully withdraw the need for those lights and then just use this one, which is obviously a lot more practical and a lot more better for space as well. So let's get into what we've got here. So a little note, you can read this if you want, I'll let you pause it. But you do see on there is only 200 of these special edition kits in the world. You may have seen Tom Syndicate, he's actually got one of them, but apart from that set, this is one of 2 in the UK, so very limited and a special thing to look at. Nice little pamphlet about what's included. Oh, Razer sticker. I wonder if it would be noticed if it went back without that sticker. I wonder if anyone would realise. Let's put that to the side. What else have we got in here? Right, oh, now that I like. Do you reckon it'd be, if it went back with a few things missing, nobody would realise, really, would they? Because that is nice. Some locks on there as well. As I did say, it was lockable. That sits in there. The necessary cable for the Seiren X. I like the way they've got the green cables as well. They look very cool. Come on camera, there we go, micro USB but green, looks well. It's well nice, that does. So let's get the Seiren X out first. So try and get this inset out. Oh, it's in there. Okay, so the very base, nice pad on there. Now these are also available in retail versions. If you do want to see a review, then please let me know, and I'll see what I can do. I know they are very limited on what they've got at the moment. But again, I'll see if we can get one just to have for a little bit, because this is obviously where there's only a couple of these. This has got to go around for other people, so I can't keep this very long. So there's your microphone. Need to do it the right way around for me, and then you can actually see it as well. So on the very front we've got the volume, a mute button. Underneath, I'll try and do this the best I can, we've got the micro USB where you're going to connect it to your PC, then a headphone jack to monitor. Nice plain, nice matte black Razer logo on the back. And then obviously your microphone. You can just about see the head through there, but that's that. And the Kiyo is here. Nice foldable design as well. That's one thing. Another thing they wanted to make it is nice and portable, so you can get very small set up there, and then obviously it extends, goes over the edge of your monitor. Obviously allows for different thicknesses, and you can adjust it like generally most webcams that we've got on the market. Tripod adapter on the bottom if you maybe wanted to use it on a GorillaPod. It's another option you've got. And that goes down to another Razer styled USB connection. Also a little cable wrap there if you want to use that. And then the very left we've got a hard case for that camera to go in, so it stays nice and safe. Now to expand on the specifications of what the products are, so the Kiyo's got a 720p 60fps HD video camera compatible with OBS and XSplit, fast, accurate autofocus for the sharp footage that you want. You can do 1080p and 30 frames as well if you don't want to go for 60, but generally speaking 60 is what I see most people using on streams. Nice up close shot, looks very nice. You've got 12 white LEDs in here with a 12-step brightness adjustment that literally rotates so smooth as well. You won't be able to pick it up on camera, but ever so smooth motion on that. But even the detailing, such as the rotatable ring for the brightness, just look at the texture. Just anything that they do always just looks great. Even the kind of brush style you've got underneath that lens looks really nice as well. But presentation is always a great plus. The Razer logo there on the back. I was saying to one of my friends today how good Razer packaging always is, and clearly no exception to the rule with this camera. So that's the Kiyo camera there. So spec wise on the Seiren X, you've got a ultra precise super cardioid pickup pattern. You've got a shock mount in there as well for any vibrations that may go through your desk. Especially handy if you're not going to be using it on an arm. Although you can obviously got the option when you take this base off. Most people may just use it on the desk when they get it out of the box. So it's always nice to have that bit of bump protection, especially if you're raging out on your favourite games. Zero latency as well when using the headphone jacks, always handy to have. So thanks to a dead battery there for the cut. So as I did say, this is more kind of an overview and an unboxing of the package as a whole. Obviously it's a very cool kind of unique thing, only 200 in the world, so definitely something I wanted to show you guys. If you do want me to look at these products in a full review, then I will do my best. As I did say, they were very limited because they're just selling very well, so it may be a little bit more of a wait for that, but I'll see what I can do anyway. And what I'm going to do as well is put some links in the description where you can see more of these products. Obviously where this is an overview, I've not actually got them working, but I'll find you a video where you can actually see them in action. And then the Seiren X, very nice and compact form factor for your sound. everything, you know, to get your best audio and video both in one box. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about the new style of video with this setup. It makes my life a lot easier. It's also a bit of a welcome change from doing all the different cuts and things that I do in the edits for the cinematic ones. So a bit of a breath of fresh air in terms of the style for the, you know, for the channel, and also for me to do as well. So hopefully you all like it, and I can keep doing it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one.